Eminyakeni engama-25 edlule, izwe langena embusweni wentando yabantu nokwaba ingqophamlando kulelizwe. Kulokhu lo mlando ubungazwa ukuphakamisa umbono wobunye nokuqinisa isiko lenhlonipho yamalungelo abantu kanye nomthetho.
The Constitution is the senior, the prime law of the land. Everything has to be consistent with it. And it requires special amendments to amend it as opposed to ordinary legislation.
Unyaka u-1996 yona nyaka okwacikicwa ngawo umthethosisekelo wezwe. Izwe laphuma ngaphansi kwencindezelo lakhululeka kwaba izwe lawo wonke umuntu.
In today's commemoration, we stand on the shoulders of great giants. From Nelson Mandela to Charlotte Maiteke to Eleanor Roosevelt to Mehta Hansa, and so many leaders who were unrelenting in their conviction that we are all born free and equal in dignity and rights.
And I remember going through the Universal Declaration and showing that every single right mentioned in the UDHR was violated in apartheid South Africa, every single one. It was quite astonishing. Apartheid was so pervasive that there wasn't an aspect of human life that wasn't vitiated by it.
Kodwa ke lokhu kubonakala kuyinto ebhalwe phansi kumthethosisekelo nje kuphela njengoba kusekhona ukungalingani kwabantu ezweni.
There have been some challenges though. The developments made in pursuit of equality cannot be overlooked. However, the challenges that currently exist in South Africa's society demonstrate the complexities of the journey that lies ahead of us. It is well documented that South Africa remains one of the most unequal countries in the world.
We, as the people, are the Constitution. We are the Constitution. We should never forget that the Constitution remains what it is, which is a representation of ideals by people like Justice Sachs and others who thought it important to be a particular nation.
Njengoba sekuphele iminyaka engama-25 kwacikicwa umthethosisekelo, kuningi okusamele kwenziwe ukuqinisekisa ukuthi amalungelo ashicilelwe kumthethosisekelo wezwe ayaqhakanjiswa futhi asetshenziswa ngokufanele.